Another way to navigate the content on your device is to use on a computer Spotlight search tool, where you can type in the name of the application. You see that you'll get multiple results until you write exactly what you need, and then you still have to read between the content here and see which one you need to choose, which is clearly this application. And I'm not going to open Firefox that way. And then another way to do that is to use the F4 button on the top row of your Mac keyboard, and that will give you the launch pad, which makes your computer kind of feel a little bit more like your iPad style mobile device. So this is great for younger students who were used to working on iPad and may have an easier time navigating that way. You can see I can use the arrow keys. You can't really see it, but I'm using the arrow keys to move between apps, or I can swipe with a gesture on my laptop between pages, and that shows me all my applications. I didn't notice Firefox, but I'm sure it's here somewhere. There it is. It's the last one added. So they actually go on here in the order that they were used. And I think that like your iPad, you can reorganize these apps to put them in the system that makes sense for you. It works just like apps. So do encourage younger kids that, liked iPad and were enjoying organizing themselves that way to use this method of organization and finding their applications.